Okay students, our next video is now application of resolution of vector. The first one is walking of a man. Now we will see how the resolution of vector is valid over this. When a man walks, for example, this is the diagram here, this is a foot. When a man presses the ground with the force in the downward direction, right? In that case, there will be a normal reaction acting to it in the opposite direction. Now resolving this R in two rectangular components. See here, since these are 90 degree to each other, so we will say we have resolved. Resolution means we have resolved R in two rectangular components. One is R cos theta and another is R sin theta. Now this vertical component R sin theta is balancing the weight of the man, while this R cos theta component enables him to walk forward. Right. Second application, which is very important, that is it is easier to pull. It is easier to pull a lawn roller than to push it. Now let us imagine this is a lawn roller, right, and weight of it is acting downward. Weight mg, W is equal to mg. Now when a person pulls it, right, the force is acting in this direction, F. Now resolving this into rectangular components, this is F cos theta and this is F sin theta. Now in this case, the effective weight, if we talk about the effective weight, would be W minus F sin theta. But what happened when the man pushed the lawn roller, again the weight mg is acting downward. When the man pushed the lawn roller in a downward direction, so the various forces acting and resolved, like this component is F cos theta and this component is F sin theta. This is F, right? So effective weight in this case is W plus F sin theta, right? W equal to mg is equal to W plus F sin theta. So naturally in both cases, if we see, this weight is more, effective weight is more and this is lesser. So since effective weight is lesser in pulling, so it is easier to pull the lawn roller. But in both cases, if angle theta is 0, means if we are pushing or pulling, in this case the pushing or pulling will be ineffective, because in that case theta is equal to 0. So effective weight is equal to actual weight of the body. So either we pull or we push, it will be of no use, right? So this is the case when we pull the lawn roller. In that case, it should be at some angle theta.